guys, I'm back with a human hair wig review with the company that I purchased hair from in the past. I liked them then, let's hope that I like them now, and that is Wiggins Hair. If you are new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. And if you're an oldie but goodie, you'll know Wiggins Hair. So that's how I do human hair on this channel. I have to try a company like 3 or 4 times before I'm completely sure that they're not going to send me some trash. Wiggins Hair checked that off a long time ago. So all I've done is take this wig out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. This is the box that the unit comes in. It's a hard, looks like a legit shoebox. It comes off the top. So, I mean, that's pretty good for storage. We have the wig, but there were also some extras that were included with this unit. A silk storage sack with Wiggins Hair name on it, an edge band with their name on it, some HD wig caps, an edge brush, a scrunchie, and some tape, some wig tape and some rubber bands. So that's cute. Those are all things that I will actually use. All right, so this wig, I can't remember exactly what I ordered, but look in the description box, you'll see the direct link and some details. All I see is that this wig is 18 inches long. I wonder what I ordered, y'all. It's the curl pattern is very pretty. Oh wow, y'all look at that. That is so pretty. Such a tight, beautiful curl. I'm gonna have to go look back at my notes to see what I ordered. So gorgeous hair. It does not have a smell because y'all know sometimes I say it smells like Badoosie. Okay, does not have a smell, smells good. As far as the cap construction goes, you get an ample amount of parting space up at the top. You also get a comb to the left, a comb to the right, a comb in the back, some adjustable straps, and an adjustable glueless band as well with that adhesive waves on it to make the wig lay flat, but it is not sticky to touch. So very pretty curl pattern. This should not take me long at all. All I'm gonna have to do is wet this with some water and leave-in conditioner. I'll give you a 360 and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. You guys, be right back. gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous throw in and go wig by Wiggins Hair. Just like always, Wiggins completely delivered. Y'all know I tell y'all all the time, I cannot comb hair. So with a wig, I need it to be easy. And bam, Wiggins definitely delivered with this one. All I had to do was spray this wig down with some water and leave-in conditioner. And this is the gorgeous curl pattern that we ended up with. I can 1010% vouch for this one. Also, something else that I love about this unit is because of the parting space. Like, it's not too much. Like, with a 32x4, 32x6, you got to do too much work. This is the appropriate amount of parting space for me. I can part it down the middle, left, right. I can do half up, half down without all the work. So, kudos to Wiggins Hair for this parting space on this wig. So I can definitely recommend this one. If you look in that description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig as well as all the details, because I do think this is one that you will not be disappointed with if you get this one home. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.